Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. And myself Bala here. I welcome you to all to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. In today's live session, we are finding some opportunities, one or two works better. And we always focusing for a positional trade. And one of these subscribers request I was just making this video how we can effectively do this trade. And today morning we are finding out some opportunities based on our Google sheet. And that first one is Jindal Steel and Ram Finance. So both the trades, it was the trade which is giving you the opportunity only before 9:30. So normally I don't want to try to take a trade before 9:30. Maybe the reason is sometimes it may be reversed from the top after that gap up opening. So that is the reason I was not taken any breakout which is happening by using our option scanner. So it was a tool which is we are going to use it for to find out a trade opportunity. And one more doubt people were having where it is a stop loss, where it is a target. First of all, I tell you that it is developed for the strategy which are teaching, and based on this strategy, we are taking the trade opportunities either a hedging basis. And today, one of the trade, if you are doing a hedging, what would be the benefit? And if you are doing a naked, so what would be the risky? And you will understand. And those people who are already finished my strategies, they understand very well. But if you want the sheet, someone who are asking the sheet for uh, their own purpose, so you can use it. So I don't restrict you. So, but you should apply your trading strategies, whatever the trading strategies which you have, and you can make use of it. And based on that, you can making a trade. So, for example, Jindal Steel. That I'm going to show you Jindal Steel 550 call option and Jindal 550. It's a trigger which is happening in the first 15 minutes. So let me, I'm going to open with the 15-minute chart. So look at this. Here is the first 15 minutes. Our entry point 550 call option. Our entry is 24.3. And what happened finally? Jindal Steel 550. Jindal Steel, why it is not looking that right? Yeah, I think in this website today's price is not updated, I think. So here it is updated. But Jindal Steel 550 call option. That is what my, yeah. You can look at this. The first candle itself, it moves up to 33. Okay, so our entry point is 24. Maybe after this 33, it returned back to the same price 24.4. If there is a chances, if you are tried at this point, maybe it given you profit. But most of the trades which triggers earlier, I don't want to take this particular trade. Why? Because of it is always going to give you some reversal. If it is opening by the gap up in the option premium, it may be going to give you some reversal. That's why to avoid that thing, I just putting that first 15 minutes the entry triggers. I don't want to take that entry. So after this, and it went down, so it moved higher, so it okay, no problem on this. Shriram Finance is about 1400 call option, that is also be triggered. Look at this, the first candle here you can face some issues. So here this candle went up to 114 in the first 15 minutes itself. Our entry points should be around 76. Maybe at the closing it trading around 94. After 76, maybe here it triggered and it come down to 76, but already it moved very big. So I'm taking that position at a very highest level. It will not help us to make some bigger targets because already it reaching nearby our target. So I don't want to take it. So these two trades in our live session we avoided. So one more trade, Manapuram, that was 125, that is working well, and in live session itself it generated 50 paisa higher from our entry. So Manapuram 125 call option. Okay, so I took that entry after 9:30, which is trigger. And here you can see it around 9:45 to 10 o'clock range. It triggers our entry. Immediately it given you 4.5. So almost 60 paisa. If our intraday traded, normally we suggest 2 to 5,000 maximum. It was always generating you after the breakout. Here is the one intraday it given you. So as a positional trader, if you are taking that trade as a positional, you know where we can keep a stop loss and where we can place a target. We should wait for that, and once it is broken that level, we are waiting for the target and stop loss. Still the trade is on. but target and stop loss not triggered yet because we are taking that as a weekly positional. Okay, and the lal path lab also we are tracking today 2040. Lal path 2040 is the call option price, and it wasn't given to 114. Maybe at this point here it may be triggered and around 11:15. So that time we are not in the live session. So after that live, it was triggered and immediately it went up to 132. So near about 15 points. As an intraday player, so you may be getting some opportunities, and that's over. And it returned back and finally closed 117. That's for our positional entry. And ICHA potential, I was not tracking that. ICHA potential 535, 535. And when it is triggered, I didn't see. I think it is also closing hours. I think 2:45. That time only it moves higher. And yeah, 22 is our entry. Maybe tomorrow we can focus the stocks for our trading opportunity. And one more Bajaj Finance also, which closed, and Bank of Baroda. Those who are watched Bank of Baroda, and 8.9 and 9.65. Bank Baroda 187.5 call option, and that should be another one more opportunity for a breakout that we are waiting. And once it is broke, that level is around 11:30 to 11:45, and within a 15 minutes 9.65. I think large size is big, more than 2 to 3,000. As a positional trader, it initially came down and returned back and closed. So positional, we are going to hold for the next 1 week. So maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow we can get it. So these are all the stocks, and M&M Finance 305. So that is what a one more stock, M&M Finance 305 call option. That is also given you the trigger, and it went up to 3 rupees higher. Initial trigger is around 11:15 to 11:30, around 15.6 is our entry. And after this breakout, it was within a 1.5 hour, it went up to 19.35, near about 3 rupees that generated as a good profit. I think it is from 15.6, and it went up to, so as an intraday profit that generated, but a positional still it's on our entry point. So we have to wait it. And Bajaj Finance Finserv, that is also be a same point. So we are tracking today, and look at this Bajaj Finserv. Initially, it's a huge move around 40. So, but we were late while watching this trade 46, and it went up to 51. But even from our entry, that has given you the intraday. So this is what a pure breakout levels. And first time if the breakout level is broken, so that is would be the opportunity for a 2 to 5,000 rupees profit possible. And you can use your own trading methods or whatever the charts or indicators, something if you are using. So you can use this. As a strategy students, they will understand how they can effectively use this system in edging way as well as positional basis. As an intraday player, so you once the new fresh breakout. So I think most of the stocks once it is breaks and immediately quick profit is generated. So more than 2 to 5K if you are making the fresh breakout, one or two trade is good enough for an intraday basis. So I hope today which triggers, and Manapuram is on 5% higher from our entry, Lalpath is 3%, and ICHA potential is 100.1% maybe. And these are all the stocks which is triggers today as per our option scanner that we are using to find out the stock options. And tomorrow maybe even market is negative today, right? So in the scenarios we find some opportunities, but put side we are not getting like some stocks in the standing in the top like Marico, Kotak Bank and TPC, but we didn't find out any entry opportunity in the even put sides too. Okay, so I hope you understood how to use it, and also we made videos regarding previously on our sheet. And if you wish to take that courses, the link which is available in the description, and also my Android app also be available on the description. You can make use of it, and you can take that, and you will be using that option scanner. If you want to get this access to the option scanner, I'm just charging for 1,200 per monthly. So you will be getting for, and you can do your own analysis, and you can start trading with this option sheet also, option scanner. Thank you for watching, and if you are new, kindly subscribe. And if you have any questions or doubt, just comment in the comment box below. And don't forget to subscribe button and join my live session tomorrow morning around 9:10 a.m. We are going to start our live session in this channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this.